In this video, I will be discussing the tree map and how to use it. The tree map is used to classify things. On the top line, you would write the main subject, or the main idea that the entire map would be about. Then you add a connection line coming down from the category name and connecting to the individual subcategories or supporting ideas. Underneath each subcategory, you draw a T, think tree map T, and then after that, you'll be writing details underneath. Below each subcategory, or the T underneath the subcategory, you'll be writing details or examples of that category. How you use the tree map will vary from subject to subject. In language arts, you might use the tree map to structure writing. You might put the sentences under first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, and use it that way. In math, you might use a tree map showing the factors. You might use a tree map to show different types of equations. In social studies, you might use it to show the different vocabulary words. In science, you might use it to categorize different plants, categorize animals, categorize different atmospheres. However, it should be structured the same way in that it is used for categorization. A tree map is strictly used for categorizing things. Do not break apart things into its different parts using a tree map, because if you're going to break something apart, that should be used in a brace map. A tree map is simply used to categorize different things.